Admiral Musa is the coordinator of the Counterterrorism Center.
Let's be going.
Abiodun Oluchayo, he's
No, sorry.
consultant architect.
As you snap, you will drop. As you snap, you will drop. Let it be ugly. As you not, you will drop. It's okay. Okay, no problem. Bashir, this is the last person. Enter like this.
He headed the committee. Yes, sir. General Abba is the National Coordinator of Small Arms and Light Vehicles Prohibition Center. National Center for the Control of Small Arms and Light Vehicles. Yes, sir. General Ndaigo is the Director of Defense Affairs.